how to set alerts on TradingView.com. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go on the side of this option, and there is a plus icon over here. You have to click on it and go to add alert option. As you click on the add alert option, an alert will be added over here like this yellow line. Now if you click on this yellow line, you can edit your alert. Now it will be saying crossing or crossing up or crossing down, whatever your condition is. Now every time you can option is you can turn is just for every time. It will always trigger when it goes down this position, and you can turn the expiration date, and now you can turn the open ended or alert action or whatever you want. This is how you can set up an alert on tradingview.com. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.